Hello all my crafty friends, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit, and today I'm going to be showing you guys another kit that I kind of put together. This one is probably my favorite and I'm so excited because I have been adding to this kit throughout the month of July, and I'm just super stoked to play with some things, play with some different items, and get some pages done, get some cards done. So this is going to be my main vision is for using Chanel's Head in the Clouds, and this is the project pad, so I'm super excited to use this. Super excited. So I want to use this up for a couple of pages. It has some stickers, it's got some cards, and yeah, I'm just super excited because I just have been hoarding that. I also have, I'm going to show you guys everything that I have from the collection first because it all matches, and then I'll show you what I'm adding in. I might add a few more things because I am going to be going through my paper and kind of reorganizing. So I know I have some paper that have little rain clouds, and I just want to incorporate that, as well as the other kit that I'm putting together. I have a couple things that I want to add into that. So I have the chipboard piece from this kit, and I'm hopefully going to use some of this up, if not all of it. The last time I did a kit for Christmas in July, I used everything. As you can see, my cocoa and snow and cocoa, I love that, but I started to get really tired of it. So I will try my best to get some things done with this, but majority is I'm not gonna try to get all of it used up. So I do have this journaling pad, and I love this thing. I'm so glad I picked this up because I wasn't going to when I saw it, but now whew, I'm excited. I cannot wait to try that. So I have that. Also from the collection, I have these stickers. And then I also have some stickers that are for this collection. I'm just going to show you guys. So I have these. So these match the collection. They're actually from, they say Head in the Clouds. So I'm pretty excited to use those. And then I have a little baggie right here full of goodies that I have been picking up. So I have the hearts. I have the enamel dots. I have the ephemera, which I'm super excited about. And then I have the sticker book, which, I mean, these stickers are kind of for my daughter, I guess, but I'm going to try to use some of these on some layouts. So I'm super excited about that. I'm just super excited to have a lot and play with this collection. I also have a couple more stickers. So I have these right here from Pink Paisley. This is the Wild Child. And I just thought this really kind of matched a little bit with it, so I probably will use some of the rainbow accents. And then I have these glittered words because I just thought that they would be nice, and I'm trying to use them up. I have those. And then I have these right here. And then the last ones. So I don't know if I'll be using all of these up. I just thought that they matched and kind of wanted to include them into the collection. So I do have a couple of other things that I want to add. The first is these little rosettes. I have 2 left, and I just thought that they match. I also have some stickers that I thought looked really good with the collection, kind of matched. I have 2 of these stickers, and I I want to use them on at least one of them. And then I also have this little puffy guy. I know he's super thick, so I don't know if it's gonna work on a project or if it's on a layout, it's gonna be, I don't know. I just had to pick it up. So when I was at the store, and I just thought it matched pretty well with this collection. And then I have these really cute mermaid stickers, and then these shakers that are unicorn. So the next thing I'm going to go, oh, I also have these right here, these felt mermaids. So I'm going to show you guys what I am working on as far as my tools, because the whole reason why I wanted to do this is to use up my stash and kind of see what I have. So I want to incorporate, I'm going to pick out some more colors, but I want to incorporate some bling because I need to use some of my bling for like shakers or just on a layout, just anything. I also want to use, I have this in there to kind of remind me to use some ribbon. So I have this ribbon right here that matches like really well, and I thought it would be really cute with something in the middle of it. I think this will probably be the only ribbon that I use for this collection. I might look in my stash, but who knows. And then I do have this washi that I thought matched so well. I don't think that this is from this collection. I can't remember. If you know, down below, let me know, but I know I got this because I just love anything unicorns, and yeah, I just thought that these would match pretty well with this collection. And washi is like the hardest thing for me to use, so if I can get some washi, I can use it up. And then the last thing is I have this word believe. I thought that that just matched perfect with this collection, so I want to use some of, or I want to make some things out of that, some titles, and then I have this embossing folder that is clouds, I don't know if you can tell, but I haven't used an embossing folder in a long time, so plan is to use this and just kind of use some of my tools with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I can't wait to see what I create with this kit. If you guys want to see, just make sure that you subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!